Hello and good afternoon, my dear friends. Today I am going to teach you about the organic chemistry, some basic principles and techniques. Okay, so in this topic, we'll make a big concept clear. Okay, so without any delay, let's get started. It is a general important topic of class 12th, and it is also very important for different competitive examination also. Okay, so come to the topic. So the branch of chemistry which deals with the hydrocarbons and their derivatives are known as organic chemistry. So what is an organic chemistry? So the chemistry which deals with the hydrocarbon and its derivatives is known as your organic chemistry. Okay, this is a basic thing. Carbon forms the large number of organic compound due to its catenation property. Okay, and having the tetravalence. So this is the general idea of the carbon compound, that is it has the catenation property and it is tetravalence in nature. Okay, then what is the functional group? An atom or a group of atoms joined at a specific manner is known as, okay, which provides certain characteristic of chemical property to the organic compound is called the functional group. So my dear students, what is a functional group? When an atom or a group of atoms are joined in a specific manner, okay, the sequence is specific, then and they are showing the certain characteristic or chemical properties which is organic compound. Okay, so it is called the functional group. Okay, so after that we can say it is a functional group. Okay, so it shows some organic characteristic also. So what is a homologous? So a group or a series of organic compound each containing a characteristic functional group from a homologous series, and the member of the series is called the homologous. So this is the homologous. फिशन ऑफ ए कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड. सो बच्चों यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है, यहाँ पर हम बात कर रहे हैं कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड जिसकी फिशन हो रहा है, मतलब क्लीवेज हो रहा है, ब्रेकडाउन हो रहा है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर कितने तरीके का फिशन हो रहा है, यहाँ पर हम एक एक के पढ़ मैंने एक एक के बाद हम पढ़ के जाएंगे. पहला वाला हो जाएगा हमारा होमोलिटिक फिशन. सो इन दिस क्लीवेज the one of the electrons of the shared pair covalent bond goes with each of the bonded atom. So what is happening here? So you have what's the example here, when the double, this is a Cl2 atom. Okay, so when sorry, Cl2 compound, when the Cl2 compound, that means the bond is break, okay, bond is broken, then the carbons, okay, so the carbons not in, oh sorry, it is not a Cl compound, I think. Okay, this is a carbon compound. Okay, so sorry for that. So when the carbon compound is get detached by, or the breaking of the bond occurs, then the each carbon compounds carries one free radicals. Okay, and when the breaking is homogeneous, it is known as homolytic cleavage. That means both of the carbon compound carries one free radicals. Okay, come to the next one. So the heterolytic cleavage. So what is heterolytic cleavage? In the heterolytic cleavage, the bond breaks in such a fashion that the shared pair electrons remain with one of the fragment. Okay, so यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है, जो शेयर्ड पेयर इलेक्ट्रॉन है वो एक ही एटम पर रह जाएगा. मतलब समझ में आ रहा है. यहाँ पर देखिए, जो कि यहाँ पर इसको बोलते हैं हम मिथाइल क्लोराइड. ओके, मिथाइल क्लोराइड. व्हेन द बॉन्ड ब्रेक्स, ओके, so the shared pair electron goes to chlorine. Why? Now because of its electronegativity. So chlorine attracts the electron towards itself, shared pair electron towards itself. As a result of what? As a result of CH3 become positively charged and chlorine become negatively charged. Okay, this is known as your heterolytic cleavage. Got it? After that, my dear friend, electron displacement effect in bivalent bonds. One is inductive effect, okay, designated as I. So what is inductive effect? The polarization of bond caused by the polarization of the adjacent bond referred as the inductive effect. So when the bond is polarized and by the which is caused by the polarization of the adjacent bonds, it is known as your inductive effect. सो जो एडजेसेंट बॉन्ड है, ओके, जो नज़दीकी बॉन्ड है उसमें अगर पोलराइजेशन हो रहा है, तभी अगर हमारे जो बॉन्ड में पोलराइजेशन आ रहा है उसको देखकर, तो इसको हम बोलेंगे इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट. ओके, इट इफेक्ट्स. ओके, so there are two types of inductive effect basically. Number one is positive inductive effect, number two is negative inductive effect, designated as plus I and minus I respectively. So here what is happening, my dear friends? Here see the example here. When the CH2, okay, CH2 bond is break, that means this bond is breaking. So it carries its all the electron towards itself as it is electronegative in nature, and as a result the del plus charge is created for the CH2 ions. Okay, and after that the del charge is going on increasing. Okay, so this is a known as your inductive effect. Okay, so it is a permanent effect and decrease with increase of distance. So my dear friends, inductive effect is a permanent effect and it is decrease with increase in distance. So यहाँ पर अगर हम डिस्टेंस को ज़्यादा कर देंगे तो यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा, यहाँ पर हमारा इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट कम हो जाएगा, घट जाएगा. समझ में आ रहा है. उसके बाद हम बात करते हैं इलेक्ट्रोमेरिक इफेक्ट. सो व्हाट इज दैट? द कंप्लीट ट्रांसफर ऑफ ए शेयर्ड पेयर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ऑफ पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑफ ए मल्टीपल बाउंड टू वन ऑफ द एटम in the presence of attacking reagents are called the electromeric effect. So electromeric effect is the complete transfer of shared pair pi electrons of a multiple bond to one of the atoms. Okay, यहाँ पर अगर मल्टीपल बॉन्ड का जो हमारा जो शेयर्ड पेयर इलेक्ट्रॉन पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन है उसको हम एक ही एटम पर ट्रांसफर करेंगे, उसको हम बोलेंगे इलेक्ट्रोमेरिक इफेक्ट. सो देयर आर two types of electromagnetic effect. Number one is positive electromagnetic effect, this is known as your plus E effect. Negative electromagnetic effect, this is known as your negative E effect. Okay, if the transference of electron towards the attacking reagent, we can say it is a positive effect. Okay, so if the electron is transferred towards the attacking reagent, we can say it is plus. Okay, but if the transference of electron takes place away from the attacking reagent, so अगर हम रिएजेंट से इलेक्ट्रॉन को ले आएंगे तो उसको हम बोलेंगे नेगेटिव इफेक्ट. अगर हम रिएजेंट्स को मतलब हमारा जो अटैकिंग रिएजेंट्स है उसके साथ हम इलेक्ट्रॉन को अगर ऐड कर देंगे तो उसको बोलेंगे पॉजिटिव इफेक्ट. ओके, पॉजिटिव इफेक्ट बहुत ही सिंपल बात है. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं जो हमारा यहाँ पर हम बात कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पर देखिए अगर हमारा अटैकिंग रिएजेंट हो गया H प्लस आयन. ओके, दिस इज हमारा अटैकिंग रिएजेंट. ओके, सो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग हियर? ओके, द सम अटैकिंग रिएजेंट्स व्हेन अटैक्स, तो यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है, यहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रॉन को अटैकिंग रिएजेंट को दिया जा रहा है. ठीक है, इसलिए ये हो गया पॉजिटिव इफेक्ट. समझ में आ रहा है. अगर हम अटैकिंग रिएजेंट से इलेक्ट्रॉन को ले आएंगे, मतलब ये हमारा हो गया अटैकिंग रिएजेंट, अगर उससे हम इलेक्ट्रॉन ले आएंगे तो उसको हम बोलते हैं नेगेटिव इफेक्ट. समझ में आ रहा है. बहुत ही सिंपल बात है, कोई दुविधा की बात यहाँ पर नहीं है. ठीक है.